Welcome to our high performance training course. I'm going to let you in on a small little secret on how to use the productivity pyramid to transform your productivity and profitability. One of the major reasons why most people aren't as productive as they want to be is because they focus on doing all the wrong things. That is why today I want to introduce you to a simple tool called the productivity pyramid. It is something that will help you become a lot more effective in a lot less time and will also make you more profitable in your business. The reason this works so well is because it forces you to focus only on what matters, results. Now, before I tell you what the productivity pyramid is and how it works, you first have to understand this. What is the value of your actions? Most people never think about the actual value of their actions. They just blindly start going down a to-do list without first considering the value of the thing they are about to do. They also don't know what the value of an action to them is long-term. So they ultimately don't know the difference between an activity that is only going to give them a little bit in the way of results or a little bit of money, and an activity that will give them bigger results, increase the value of their business, and pay them dividends and profits for the long term. For most of us, we haven't gotten crystal clear on the handful of activities that bring us the highest returns, that profits us the most. But here is the thing. That is where you can get the most leverage out of every action that you take. When you organize your days, your weeks, and your life around making sure that you get only the highest leverage activities done, because they get done, you create value, and the value creates money, income, and more time and freedom in the future. Enter the productivity pyramid. This is the same tool I use to organize my life and what I focus on each day, each week, and each month. As we just covered, not all the activities that we give us the same amount of value. The productivity pyramid will show you how to pinpoint the highest value, highest return money-making activities that you do so that you can focus on them with your attention and time. We divide this into 4 sections. I will start with the lower one here, and this is what we call the zero or negative value activities. These are the activities, as the title suggests, that add no value or in fact take away from your life and time by you investing time and energy in them. The second one here is all about low money value activities. Low money value activities. These are activities that take too much of your time, too much of your energy, but in terms of return and long-term investment, that is what you get. And then the third one here is what we call high money value activities. High money value activities. These are the activities, if you invest in them, the amount of time and energy invested in them will always equal long-term value and profitability in terms of returns. And then here we've got your what we call high value activities. These are the activities, by investing time and energy in them, they will change not only your current life, but the future trajectory of your life. And under this, we have what we call the 5 Fs. In this program, I take you through the 5 Fs that will give you the highest value here. And these Fs, we go for 1, your faith; 2, your family; 3, your fitness; 4, your finances; and of course 5, your friends. And this is what this program is all about. If you're interested in knowing more about this program, you want to be a participant, you want to get this template so that you can use it not only to transform your life now, but the future trajectory of your life, click on the link below and join me on this journey. This is your coach, Mululu X. Hope to see you in the inside. God bless.